Tell me what you've been through. Tell me what I can do.
Please be, let me tell you, I don't regret a single thing.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, I would like to invite all you people to Summer Fair.
Lelo nazo invité bino na terrain White Hart Lane le 21 juillet. Tozana Summer Fair yaba Congolese. Bona bana. Tozana face painting, bouncy castle, dancing, hair show, football match.
Inviting everybody to Summer Fair. So it will be very nice to see everybody there in the Congolese community and other communities as well.
Hello, we invite you to the Summer Fair on the 21st.
Hello Kwasika et na communauté. Je veux dire que non le 21 juillet, une VIP a une élan c'est pays ça y ba congolais. Tala ka mingi ba place au Kenya souté. Donc tu na Summer Fair live concert et mes bongongo, Smokey et Moka Beta, Céline Dynasty, Madop, toi na fashion show ya bana. Anoto lobi mingi bana benga ba maman nyonso. Aza besoin azwa stole na ye lamba. Atumba mwantaba, asa mwa mikate, asa mwa boye. Contactez sur Steven VIP ou contactez Smokey. Après Sabino by the time nyonso wa online. I'm inviting all of you guys, all children. You're gonna see a dancing competition. Bana is a mix na birthday ya. Ye moko mwana ndako, mwana liboso ya so Steven VIP. Smokey 9278. Do not miss it. Come all of you. Let's support one another as we said. And Neo is a of July.
Bonjour, venez au Summer Fair le 21 juillet et je serai là en train de danser.
Hello everybody, we hope you're going to come to the Summer Fair. We'll be dancing and have a good time. You know what it is, isn't it?
Bato pona Summer Fair vraiment donc bozanga te donc ba congolais tout donc bozana temps boya pour masola bien les kuna donc ba choix bien donc boya pena donc c'est la vraie.
Hello, we invite you to the Summer Fair on the 21st.
It's Summer Fair, there's going to be barbecue, there's going to be a football match, there's going to be a kids fashion show as well. Come along, invite all your friends to come and support
Mon
this movement.
appui c'est toi, mon sauveur et mon roi, l'amour de ma vie c'est toi.
Voilà, venez beaucoup au Summer Fair le 21 juillet, on sera là. Ça sera bien si vous êtes là, si vous venez nombreux.
Hi
Ça nous fera
everyone, I'm
plaisir.
inviting you to Summer Fair on the 21st of July. Hope
Summer
you'll come
Fair,
and enjoy
we're
yourself.
in Billy, otherwise you guys are going to be there. Lots of people are going to be there. Smokey's going to be there. Michelle's going to be there. Boya.